Welcome to this GCSE revision question on finding area of shapes. So this is going to be a good one. This is worth 5 marks. Let's jump straight into it. So I read the question. This is a pentagon. Okay, that's good to know. I look here, I can see some angles in there. And then it says, and because the angles are here, it tells me that if I pull a line across there, then I would have made myself a rectangle. Okay, really important. Okay, work out the area of the whole shape. Now, to get the area of the whole shape, what I will do is I'll find the area of this rectangle, and then I'll find the area of the top here. I should probably warn you that this came on a paper 1, so you do not have a calculator for this, and no calculators, I'm afraid. Okay, let's start getting to work. So the area of this first is going to be 4 times 8. That's going to be 32 centimeter square. I'm happy with that, and that's the area of in here. Now this is a triangle up here, and I know that the area of a triangle is base times height divided by 2. Except I have a problem. I don't know the height. So let's go into that then. So I will put a perpendicular line here and see what happens. Now what's nice about this is this triangle is an isosceles triangle. How I know that is because this 5 and that 5, they're both the same. So that makes this as the isosceles triangle. And if you drop a perpendicular inside an isosceles triangle, you are actually creating 2 congruent triangles. So 2 identical right angle triangles. I'll just take one of these out. And when I take one of those out, what I should see, let's put it on the side over here. I should have something like that. Go in there. There is a 5 here. There is the height I want to find, and this is 4. How do we know that? Again, one of the rules about isosceles triangles is that when I drop this down here, it cuts the base in half. This base was 8, so if I cut it in half, that's going to be 4. And you should really know your Pythagorean triples, but let's work this out all the same. So I can't find the area of the triangle without knowing its height, so I need to go find the height. So I know from Pythagoras' theorem that 5 square is equal to 4 square plus h square. And that's because the hypotenuse, we tend to put that first. So this is going to be 25, take away 16 is equal to h square, because obviously 4 square is 16, and we'll bring that over, 25 take away 16. That equals to 9. Which means that when we square root 9, h will be 3. So the height of my triangle is 3. Okay, now that I've got the height, I can now go and find the area of this triangle. And to get the area of the triangle, the base of the whole thing is 8, because let's not forget, it's the whole triangle we're looking at, yeah? The base is 8. The height is 3, so 8 times 3, and then don't forget to divide by 2. That's going to give us 12 centimeters square, and I can now say that therefore the area is equal to that 32 add 12, which is going to be 44 centimeters square. And just like that, I have got all of my marks in the bag. All right, and that brings us to the end of this 5-mark question that took us 4 minutes to do.